Hello, my name is Tyler Berry. I'm an analytics engineer here at Sifted. As you are probably aware, UPS has announced the demand surcharges for the upcoming months. My team and I have been analyzing the data and creating tools to monitor the impact, and I just wanted to share some of the trends we've noticed this year versus last year. I have the announcement open, so I just wanted to walk you through it. Let's first look at these charges for additional handling, large package, and overmax. These charges will apply to all packages that meet the criteria in the service guide. There's no qualification or anything like that. Similar to last year, the prices go up in late September and remain elevated through mid-January. This year, they start September 29th. New this year is another increase in late November through the end of December. If we jump back to last year, we see that it's the same price throughout the demand period. This year, however, from November 24th through December 28th, additional handling is $9.95 per package, which is 44% higher than last year. Large package is $99, which is 32% higher. And overmax is $495, which is 21% higher. So increased costs all around, with the biggest impact in that late November through December timeframe. Another important point is that last year the elevated charge period was 15 weeks. This year it is 16 weeks, which is certainly another point to consider as well. Let's look at the residential demand surcharges now. There are some big changes here. Last year, these charges only applied to certain shippers. You had to ship at least 20,000 packages during any week after October 2022. So really only large enterprise level shippers had to worry about this. However, new this year is a surcharge for all residential packages during the demand period. These range from 25 cents to $2 depending on the service type and time, but because this charge was not in place last year, it is definitely something to have on your radar. Again, this is residential and SurePost, so it does not apply to commercial service types. In addition to these charges that apply to all, the residential demand surcharge for enterprise level shippers is back. This is based on shipping 20,000 packages during any week following October 2023, as you see here in the announcement. Unfortunately, if you qualify, you are paying the base charge that we just discussed, plus this one. The logic to assess this charge is similar to last year with a bump in prices. The way this one works is that your average shipping during the month of June is set up as a baseline for each of these different service levels. And then however much over that you ship in a week, you then fall into one of these categories. All packages above 105% of the baseline have the surcharge. As an example, let's say my baseline for ground residential, seen here, is 10,000. If I ship exactly 20,000 packages, that would put me in this tier of 150 to 200% of baseline. 105% of the baseline is 10,500, so I would be charged $235 for the 9,500 packages for a total of $22,325. To review your impacts, you can check out the Sifted platform, which will give you visibility into whether you qualify and what impacts might be. We even have a workbook available that has crunched the numbers for you specifically for these UPS demand surcharges. Thank you for watching and happy shipping.